Where are we today?
Skagway! Woohoo!
Okay.
Crazy, isn't it?
It's like straight out of a postcard or a picture or something you see on the internet. Yeah, and it looks like this is the first year that they're actually doing this because the people that
Alright, we're in British Columbia. We started in Skagway. But it's gorgeous.
Okay. Okay. This is probably like the most comfy kayaking I've ever done. Never had gloves on your... Okay, I've never had freaking pedals in this thing either. Huh? No, we're not supposed to follow that, Mom. Did you not just hear him?
However, we're not sitting here getting cozy, checking out Facebook, or taking selfies. Yeah, Mom, I'm surviving. Instead, it's a very big benefit to our dogs. because when we stand up, there's huge wind block if it's windy. But with that seat, we can take our ski poles, we'll have one in each hand, and so we can actually sit down, tuck out of the wind, and help our dog ski pole down the trail. Each, so imagine wearing a pair of these and running up some of the mountains that you see up here in Alaska so far. Because the Iditarod, it does go up and over the Alaska Range. So you do have some very good hill climbing. There's also very good insulation in these boots. And the same insulation we find here is also what we have in that snowsuit behind me. So head to toe, this whole system weighs about 12 pounds. And it'll keep us warm down to 60 below zero, if not a little bit cooler than that as well, with all the right layers on.
Which is not a recognized breed by any kennel club. So you will never see an Alaskan Husky in a dog show. What a lot of people expect to find here are Siberian Huskies. Siberian Husky, blue eyes, mask, that fluffy coat, that curly tail. Since 1935, the Siberian Husky has been bred for show. That's when they got recognized by the American Kennel Club. It's line breeding. At least when it works, we call it line breeding. When it doesn't work, we call it inbreeding. But
So
you know, one time I sold a dog, and 2 years later, that dog was on a team that beat me in the race. But that's okay. You know, you bring pups into the world, you want them to succeed, whether it's with you or not. And you know, honestly, like in the NBA, you'll see. And they're on.
oh my goodness.
Casey has been running dogs ever since she was only 9 years old. So not too many people can do this on a sled. It is very difficult and dangerous to run a sled on graveling. But she pulls it off. Whoop. And there goes Premier over to the restaurant. Sometimes they put